Hey nail babes, and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing / review on the NailBoxy mystery bag and box. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do all types of nail videos. So like I said, here in this video I will be going ahead and showing you guys what I got here in the month of April for the mystery box and bag, and I'm really excited to be showing you guys. So also, if you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload, and also do not forget to check out any of my other videos. Make sure to go check out my Easter nails if you guys want to see how I did these. Also, do not forget to check out any of my latest videos. They will be linked down below as well as throughout this video, so make sure to go check it out. And let's get on to unboxing. So I will be going ahead and going in with my gold vintage scissors to unbox it. I will make sure to link them down below. So this is what the packaging looks like. It just comes in a envelope from USPS, and it does say thank you for your purchase. Here it does have a sticker, so I'm just going to be going ahead and cutting it open. Okay, so oh my god, you guys, there's a bunch of goodies. So this is what you see whenever you open it. So I do want to go ahead and grab the first thing, which let me see, I need to move my seat, whatever. So I'll show you, I'll get more into it. Hold on, y'all, I'm just trying to see my receipt real quick because I see some writing. So I'm just show you guys really quick what exactly I got because I don't want to mess it up. So I did get the mystery box and mystery grab bag. So I did get the April one, and as you can see, this year, and it does have a little note that says thank you for your order, Anna, which shout out to Anna Luisa. So it says scan and shop, so I'm guessing this is for her website, which if you guys haven't, make sure to go check it out. Go shop. Look, it even has a code. Make sure to go shop, and I'm definitely gonna be shopping. Definitely comment down below if you guys want to see a haul reviewing. Make sure to comment down below if that's something you guys would want to see. I will definitely shop. And here it does have another discount code from Red Iguana, which I'm really excited about, as well as it has the do's and don'ts on what to do for the hands. So I'm really excited to get into it. So as you can see, this is what I see whenever you see the package. So I do see a bag. There it goes. So I'm guessing this is the mystery grab bag, and then I do see some foils, which look super cute. And last but not least, I do see this itty bitty box, which, oh my god, this is so cute for the boxes. This is super cute. So this is way smaller. This box is like way smaller than the ones that they have had in the past, which I think it's super cute. It's like a little mini version, but it's literally the same design. I love it. So it just says NailBoxy. It has the pink, the marble. It says open now, no goodies inside, with the rose gold detailing. Which also, make sure to comment down below as well if you guys want to see more videos like this, more mystery boxes, grab bags. And also, I do believe that they will be having a deluxe, so make sure to comment down below if this is something that you guys would want to see more of. If you guys would like to see just one type of subscription or whatever, if you guys just want to see a box or a bag or whatever the case may be, if you guys want to see all three, make sure to comment down below. I will love to hear your guys' feedback, but let's get into it. So as you can see, I did get foils, the bag, and the box, which I don't know if these foils are part of like the bag or the box, or I don't know, but we are gonna get into it. I'm really excited. So like I said, this is the mystery box for April, and then this is the mystery grab bag, and then we got foils. So just to get into it, so this is the first thing that we got, which is the foils that I saw. So this is what they look like. They look super duper cute. So they do have flowers on them, all different colors. So I see like this black, white, and gold with red, this pink one with gold and purple, this one with gold, blue, and like green, this one with black, this like baby bluish color with gold, navy, this like I don't know if it's Chinese words or whatever, but it has that. It has this one with roses with pink and red with some black and gold background design. And then this one looks super cute. I want to say this is maybe my favorite so far. This different colored blue shades with black and white. This one's super cute as well. This one has gold with the pink flowers, the white daisies. This red, pink, purple one's pretty as well. And then this one with like feather looking design is really pretty as well with the red and gold. So this is it for the foils. These are super cute, and it did come in a 10-piece. Here next is the grab bag. So packaging overall is super cute. The bag is super cute. So it's pink with gold hearts with this little ribbon on it, which I definitely wonder if it's going to be different every month or if it's going to be pretty much the same packaging. I wonder what's gonna be the vibe or whatever. So to open everything that we have in here, so this again is the grab bag, which retails for, we'll have the price here on the screen so that you guys could see. So this is the price for the grab bag. So I did get a total of 5 items. So we did get a total of 5 items, as you could see here. So I do want to show you guys what we got. So we got the magic white chrome. So this is from Daily Charm. This is 1 gram of it, and this is what it looks like. I remember we got this in a monthly nail subscription. I don't remember which month, but I do know that we got this for sure. We also did get this rainbow striping stickers from Annalisa's brand, which first off, I love her packaging. It's super cute with the gold and the flowers, and as you can see here on the back, it does show you how to apply it and such. So I think that's super cute. Here next, also we did get a little rhinestone picker upper as well from Annalisa's brand. So I think it's super cute. It's really nice. I love it. And again, we did get another of these little I believe these are used to like rub on chrome and stuff. I've never had one of these. I've never seen one of these, so I'm really excited for this. And I believe I've seen people use this side for like doing 3D with gel or like sculpting, so I cannot wait to use this. I'm definitely excited about that. And then last but not least, here we got this. This is a nailed AF ombre. So I'm guessing it's an ombre brush. Let's open her up. I'm really excited about this. So this is the cap. As you can see, this is the packaging. It's rose gold. It says nailed AF, and it has Annalisa's brand, and then here it says ombre. And again, this is what it looks like. It's really nice. It's rose gold. And this is the brush. So this is the ombre brush. It looks really nice. I cannot wait to use this to create some ombres. I will definitely let you guys know how I feel about this, and I cannot wait to use it. I love that it has a cap as well, but I will say I don't like that it has this opening. I wish it was closed, just so that way it could be nice and safe, because you know, sometimes you guys have like little stuff, or if you guys have like a cuticle pusher and it might get in there, you know, it might F up your brush. So I don't know, I just be thinking about stuff like that, because stuff like that happens to me. But if it doesn't happen to you, girl, you're fine. But anywho, this is everything that we got for the mystery grab bag of April. So again, we did get a total of 5 items, as you can see here. So now I will be going ahead and opening the mystery box. So here's the mystery box. I did already tell you guys about the packaging. It's pretty much the same, although it is just a smaller version, which is so cute. And then again, it does have their Instagram, their hashtag, their website, and also I will make sure to link it down below, so make sure to check down below in the description. So here, as you can see, I see some tissue paper as well as some goodies. Oh my god, you guys, I'm really excited about this. So as you can see, this is what it looks like once you open it. It has a whole bunch of stuff in here. So this is the price for this one. This is what the mystery box retails for. So I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I see are these Daily charms, and I do already have these, so I cannot wait to add these to my collection so I can have more. So these are super cute from Daily Charm. And then here next, we did get a Model 1's number 9 gel, which this one I do already have, and it is sealed, which I might just give away or sell because I do not need another one. So this is the Model 1's number 9 gel. Here next, we did get some little nail art sequins, like glitter mix. So it does have some little sparkles, some holographic gold, as well as with some fine glitter, as you could see. And then here next, I did also get this glitter. So it's just a pink and like purple iridescent glitter. And then here next, I did get this little set of little mixing gels. So it does have the little pink tone. I don't know, it kind of looks clear, but it has a pink tone to it for the little crystal. And then it does come with a spoon and a little spatula, so this is perfect. I cannot wait to use this. I do believe I do already have some of these, but I don't know if I have the spatula, so I need to check. If not, so I can keep it. But then here we, oh my god, you guys, I'm really excited. So here next we got a JessNailz acrylic. So this is the acrylic powder premium glitter. So this is a glitter acrylic. So this is in Diamond Hollow, and I want to see what it looks like. So this is what she looks like. She looks really pretty and glittery. I cannot wait to swatch her. And then here next, I did get another little nail sequence. So this is from the NailBoxy. Golden Snitch, and they just kind of look like little circles with little wings. I'm not too sure, but that's what those look like. And then here next, I did also get this other glitter. So this is the Dulce Nail Sprinkles little glitter mix. It's just purple with holographic. And then the gel. So let's get into it. I cannot wait. So here we have the Water World UV LED matte top coat. So we did get a matte top coat. We also went ahead and got a Libra Tangerine gel polish, which, ooh, I cannot wait to see. This is what she looks like. She looks really pretty. Cannot wait to swatch her. And then here next, we also went ahead and got the Luxa gel polish in this really pretty purple called Caviette, something like that. So this is what she looks like. She looks really pretty. And then also we went ahead and got this Valentino gel polish in the number 42 in this really pretty neon orange. I cannot wait to swatch that. And then here at the bottom, we did get some little sparkle. I remember when we got this in one of the months, I was disappointed because the company come in the bag. But hey, I got 3 baggies today, so I ain't complaining. But here next, we also went ahead and got some, it kind of just looks like iridescent paper, foil paper perhaps. But here lastly, we did get some little flower foils, as well as with these little cool design decals. These are super cute, and that's everything that we got here in the mystery box. Okay, so as you can see, this is everything that I got, which honestly, I feel like for the price, this is the total that I paid, and I feel like for the price, it was a pretty good deal. So I did get 3 gel polishes. I got an acrylic, I got a gel, I got a matte top coat, as well as I did get some charms, some glitter, some chrome, as well as a new brush, which I'm really excited about, some new foils, some new stickers, as well as some new tools to play with, which I'm really excited about. So I honestly did enjoy everything that I received here for the month of April, and I did really like everything that I got. So now I will be going ahead and swatching everything and showing you guys what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, this is what the swatches look like from the gels as well as for the acrylic. So this is the JessNailz acrylic. This one is the Libra Nails Lab. Next one is the Valentino, and then the purple is the Luxa gel polish, which I'm really excited to try out. The Luxa, I've never tried their brand, as well as trying out these new colors. So this is what the swatches look like. So as you can see, they're super cute. And if you guys want to see what the other stuff looks like, make sure to go check out my other videos so that you guys could see. And obviously it's pretty much straight to the point what the foils look like, as you could see, as well as for the stickers, the little dangling pieces, the chrome, the little nail sequence, like I said, the charms, oils. So I'm really excited to be showing you guys all of the products that I got. I will definitely give this month of April a 10 out of 10. I really loved everything that I got. I enjoyed everything that I got as well. I cannot wait to swatch it and do videos with it, and also I cannot wait to see what they have coming up for these next couple months. So I'm really excited what I got. As you could see, comment down below your thoughts and opinions on what you guys think for this month. But honestly, I give this month a 10 out of 10. I loved everything that I got, no complaints at all. But what I will say is I wish I would know if the foils come with the bag or the box to determine which is better, but honestly I feel like they're both good enough. So I love everything that I got. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions. Like I said, I give this month a 10 out of 10, and that will be the end to this video. I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. Like I said, make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications so that way you get notified every time I upload as well. Make sure to check down below in the description for any of my social media, any discount codes, as well as any of my latest videos. Make sure to go check those out if you guys haven't. I will make sure to link it down below if you guys are interested. And I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.